Hello, I'm architect and interior designer Jeffrey Bruce Baker, and welcome to a project that we've actually worked on for 5 years. This is a very exciting moment because this is a bungalow that the client wanted to be more contemporary. So 5 years ago we designed and changed the whole front of house and upstairs to take on these elements, but now we've come back and finally opened up the back with these great glass doors and done a fantastic all black contemporary kitchen. So go on in and take a look around. This kitchen's all about being dark and sexy. I worked with a really unique product out of Italy that's basically a 1/2 inch thick laminate. This material is really matte and rubbery feeling to the texture and doesn't show fingerprints, which are two of the things I really like. We applied it in a very rectified way, and it's all about small details. All the little reveals that go throughout the kitchen are what makes this space come to life. Then we paired it with fixtures such as this faucet that are very streamlined and simple, and also matte black to let it just be about forms.